afternoon, everyone. Headed to go on a little afternoon hunt. Got the whole crew today.
Yep.
Got Dax. Brister finally decided to get out of bed. Gonna go try to bust us a big one. Shoot me a swamp donkey.
Yep.
And Dax and Brister probably just gonna scare one.
I'm gonna shoot a dove. So.
Dax is gonna scare one off.
Huh?
I'm gonna shoot a dove.
Dax is gonna scare one off.
Let's see, we got Dax trying to shoot a doe.
Ew.
We're going for trophies, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if a big buck comes up.
We got meat in the freezer. Wouldn't mind getting some more meat. The deer in rut right now. Them bucks chasing them does. We're gonna try to get us a buck. We'll be back with y'all once we get out into the woods.
Alright guys, we made it to the skinny shed. Just unloaded the Can-Am. Got Daddy getting the guns out. Got one up there already. Got two more to go. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
Alright, headed out on the afternoon hunt. See if we can bust us a big one.
Yeah, let's get us
Well, I am anyway. Brister's gonna be my cameraman. Oh yeah. Take him for a little ride on the Can-Am. Dax dropped off at his stand. Got Daniel dropped off at his stand. Me and Brister gonna come down here and get the stand together. Like I said, he gonna be my cameraman. He just don't know. Ooh, got some mud.
Two-wheel drive. There we go.
Had to get on it. We'll be back with y'all when we start walking to the stand. Alright, we walking to the stand. Gotta go through these pine trees. Try to anyway. We've been seeing some pretty good deer out of this stand. Just ain't had no luck getting them to come in close enough yet. Or to stay still. They've been running, chasing them does. Hopefully I can get Brister on one. He's the only one this year that ain't got a deer yet. Hopefully today we can take care of that problem. We don't get caught up in some briars. Let's go this way. See the stand. Not too far to go. to the stand. We're both locked and loaded. We're ready to go. This is gonna be our view for the next couple hours. Got a lane there. Got a lane through the pine trees there. Had a couple good ones come out to that feeder right at dark one afternoon. Just too dark to shoot them. Hopefully they'll come out, give us a shot at daylight, and I get them.
No, I get them.
He wishes. Alright, we'll be back at y'all when we get some more action. Hopefully deer start moving here in a little bit. We'll get them on camera for you. Be back. Alright, well, we've been in the stand for about an hour. Hadn't seen the first deer. I guess Brister being too noisy, bringing me bad luck.
No.
Oh, maybe so.
That noisy.
Getting texts from everybody else seeing deer but us. Daniel seen an 8-point walking in, and Buddy Landon, he's hunting with her. He's seen a doe. But us, we've seen a bunch of nothing. Got a feeder down there. Nothing around it. So, sun's starting to go down. Probably got about 40 minutes of daylight left. Maybe something will decide to come out. I sure hope so.
Yep.
But at least it ain't as cold as it was this morning when we went. Didn't have to bring no heaters this time. Unless you're cold. You getting cold?
No.
Me neither. Maybe you should grow one of these, right? You know, keep your face warm at least. Oh, somebody just shot.
Oh, again.
Somebody just shot.
Oh.
No. Somebody must be target practice. Just heard multiple gunshots. Yeah. So. If they were shooting at a deer, sound like they need to practice a little more.
Oh, there you go again.
And there they go again. Must have reloaded.
I know.
Sure is echoing.
Yep. They do it going again.
I don't know if y'all can hear that, but somebody that's decided to target practice today. But we're gonna sit here in the dark. Hopefully we'll get some movement. Don't know if Dax has seen anything. Haven't heard from him. So maybe when we go pick him up, he'll have one laying in the field.
Yeah. Yep.
Better be a good one.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, we just been sitting here watching YouTube, watching hunting videos, watching fishing videos. It's the thing to do when you're hunting and fishing. Watch hunting and fishing videos, you know.
Yep.
That's why we decided to make our own YouTube channel. Give us something to do while we pass the time sitting in the deer stand. Decided to bring y'all along with us. Hopefully we can give y'all some action. So far, first day out with our GoPros that we just got for Christmas. It's our first day out. We hadn't brought any action for y'all, so time will tell. Hopefully everything will get better. We can get some deer on camera. When it warms up, we can get some bass on camera for y'all.
Yep.
And
Big bass.
that's right.
From like this big and that fast.
Some big uns. Some swamp donkeys.
That's big deer.
And then when turkey season comes around, we'll be chasing them turkeys. Be doing a little yaw.
Yep. That's the fun thing to do.
Oh yeah. Listening to them gobble early in the morning, get your heart pumping.
Yep.
We're gonna quit talking for a little bit. Hopefully next time we cut this camera on, we'll have a deer on here to show you. Whether he's out walking around, feeding, or already down on the ground.
Yep. Wish
we had some better news to report, but Sun's going down. Still ain't seen a deer. We'll turn y'all around to see us, but I don't know if you can. It's pretty dark in here.
Yeah.
No, I can't see Brister. So we're gonna sit here a little while. Can still see the field, so still a chance something can come out. I'll have to get down a little while though. Gotta go pick up Dak.
And
Get him out of the stand. Pick up Daniel. Round up everybody. But today was not a successful day of deer hunting. But we had fun though. Well, old Dak's got him a nanny. Got him an old doe.
How'd he get on me?
Got another one standing down there looking at us. Can't see it on. Yeah, can't see the eyes on here. All right. Finally, somebody got a deer.
She's thick too.
Brister was slacking, so was Daniel.
Y'all didn't see anything?
We didn't see nothing. How many deer you see?
3. I seen
Yeah.
3.
I went hunting with the wrong person. Brister brought me bad luck. Well, let's get her loaded up.
I got my knife.
All right.
You ready?
Now let's see if they can get her in there.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Wah, wah, wah. Well, you need to get the other leg too, Brister.
I know. She slipped out of my
Here,
hand.
grab the front legs.
Okay.
Somehow.
I'll get this.
Oh, my rack. You're killing me. 1, 2, 3.
I can't get it.
Nope, Daddy, go. It's a big nanny for sure.
Get back. Let a man do it.
She's in it. She's back there.